Fixing Bluetooth if it's connected but there's no sound is fast and easy. I'll walk you through the steps, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into settings and tap on Bluetooth. Let's just toggle off Bluetooth on your phone and then just toggle it back on. This will reinitiate the connection between your phone and that Bluetooth device, maybe a speaker. If that doesn't help it, we'll just tap on the little I right next to it, and you can choose to forget this device and then just go back and add it again. If that doesn't help, you're going to take your finger from the top right and then turn the volume all the way up on your phone as well as on that device. I assume you've already done this, but just want to double check that you turned on the volume on both devices, both your phone as well as the other speaker or headphones or whatever. If that doesn't work, let's just go back, tap General, and then scroll to the very bottom and hit the shutdown button. So turn off your phone and turn off the other device as well. Wait for a few seconds, turn them both back on, and then reinitiate that connection. You can see we just removed that connection on Bluetooth. Just add it back again, and it should be working, and you should be good to go.